Good morning, friends. Today we are going to study about the literary terms, and our literary term is simile. Simile is extracted from the Latin word similis, which means comparison. Simile and metaphor, these two literary terms are used in comparison. First of all, we will study about simile. We can define simile as when two or more different things having at least one quality common in them. The condition is that two or more different things that are having one quality common in them are compared using the words of comparison. And the words of comparison are as, like, and so. When two or more different things having at least one quality common in them, if there is no quality common in them, then it can't be a simile. When at least one quality common in them are compared using the words of comparison as, like, and so, it is called simile. For example, my love is like to ice and I to fire. Edmund Spenser's sonnet, Ice and Fire. My love is like to ice. Here, love means beloved is compared to ice. Beloved is a living being, while ice is a non-living being. Two different things, one quality common in them. One quality common is that the beloved's behavior is as cold as the behavior of ice, means unemotional behavior of the beloved is expressed here, and this comparison is presented with the help of like. In the next, I to fire, the poet compares himself to fire. Here, fire symbolizes emotional behavior. Fire is the symbol of powerful emotion. Emotional behavior of the poet is expressed here. So, the poet uses the words of comparison like in the sentence, my love is like to ice and I to fire. This comparison is expressed comparison because the poet has directly used the word like. So this is an expressed comparison or explicit comparison. We can say that in simile we use explicit comparison. While in metaphor, metaphor is extracted from the Latin word metaphora. It is also a comparison. The definition of simile and metaphor is almost the same, but there is one difference between simile and metaphor. That is, in simile, two or more different things are compared. Similarly, in metaphor, two or more different things are compared that are having at least one quality common in them. But in simile, we use the words of comparison as, like, and so, while in metaphor, these words of comparison are not used. Means metaphor is a comparison without using any words of comparison. So it is called metaphor. As for example, my love is a red rose. Here the poet compares his love, means his beloved, to a red rose. Rose is the symbol of beauty. Means to say, in metaphor, the object with which the comparison is used, that is in symbolic form. As here rose is the symbol of beauty, so he compares his beloved to the beauty of red rose. In this example, we find another literary term, and that literary term is alliteration. this poetic line has two literary terms. One is alliteration and another one is metaphor, because the sound R is also repeated here. So in the sound R, we can say that R sound is used alliteratively, while he compares his beloved to the beauty of red rose. It is an example of metaphor. As we have found that in simile we have used the word like, as, or so. So it is an expressed comparison or explicit open comparison, while in metaphor there is not any words of comparison used. So it is a hidden comparison or implicit comparison. If someone asks what is the difference between simile and metaphor, then we can say in a single word that simile is an expressed or explicit comparison, while metaphor is a hidden or implicit comparison. Thank you.